Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can disable the everyone mention on your Discord server. So if you don't want your default users to use this mention, then what you need to do is click on the server name at the top and then go to server settings. And now over here click on roles, and at the top you will have default permissions. Let's click on it. Here you want to scroll down until you find a specific option over here, mention everyone here and all roles. What you need to do is simply disable this option, make sure that it is gray over here like so. There is also another way to disable everyone, and that is for specific text channel. So for instance, if you want to not disable everyone for your whole server, you can still disable it for certain text channels. And in order to do that, over here select the channel that you want to disable the everyone mention, and then over here click on this icon to edit the channel. Now go to permissions. Here you can select which roles should have the permission or which role should not be able to use everyone. So let's select everyone, which is the default role, and then let's scroll down to find mention everyone here and all roles. In order to make sure that everyone will not be able to use everyone, we can select this cross to surpass anything else. So if there are any category settings, then of course you can override it over here, and then we can press save changes. And of course, if there are many other roles, for instance, I'm gonna add a new role, I'm gonna add funny people, and then if I want to, I can disable it for everyone but for funny people. So if I go to funny people now and I go to over here, we have once again the mention everyone option. I can set it on for that specific role. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.